You said at times there was cloud cover, but when Secretary Hegseth said the other day that it was fog of war, is that how you would characterize what you saw today?
That's idiotic. Okay. I mean, I understand the fog of war. People are shooting at you. You see a guy. Okay, you blew up the vehicle they're in. Are they armed? We had video for 48 minutes of two guys hanging off the side of a boat. All right. There was plenty of time to make a clear and sober analysis. I don't think Admiral Bradley would disagree with that.